but communication. And then on top of that, right, of course, at Eli Lilly, but at many companies, right, they just had a great investment in people, and particularly in their managers around training, leadership training, and the values at Lilly about respect for people and excellence and integrity were instilled in that leadership training. And they didn't overdo it, but there was, sort of no shortage of that leadership training opportunities that, really gave you an opportunity to meet with leaders within the company and put your training into practice.
That's awesome. In my head, I was like more fist pumping. I was like, because I was like thinking about how, at least for me, on a far smaller scale than Eli Lilly, but as the team starts to get bigger and bigger, and just knowing each of your teammates kind of like own work style and personal preferences, and like, I think it's easy to just like try to manage by a spreadsheet, but that's not how humans work. Like, we're not just numbers in a spreadsheet, and you really need to take the time to kind of gain, exactly what you said, gain the trust, the rapport, and just learn what gets them kind of energized, what gets them tick, like how they tick. And, some folks, I always think about it like in meetings, how some folks are much more comfortable voicing their opinions amongst large groups versus some people who that's not my forum of, that's not how and making sure that everybody in their own way can contribute, even though if it's stylistically different, it's like critically important.